Hi everyone, and welcome to the weekly winners results for my stock competition. Remember, I'm running a stock competition giving away £150,000 in prizes. The links are in the bio, and it's giving some great insights because the retail investors are giving us data which might well give you a good insight into what is worth looking at. So what have we got? First place, Mouselet, I think I've pronounced that correctly, performs 53.9%. Okay, that's in a week, up 53.9%. Who is Mouselet? Is that George Soros? Who the hell is that? Mouselet won the weekly prize league, so he gets cash. On top of all that performance, gets money as well. 77.78% hit rate, that's how many right versus wrong. Average performance of 5.99%, 130% higher than the FTSE All Share in terms of profits. And of course, the FTSE was up. Okay. Second and third places were occupied by Autumn and SharonSM. That's 45%, 39% in terms of returns. Most picked companies for all players, Rolls-Royce, BP, Centrica, again, going down the energy and I guess also flights route. You know, BP and Rolls-Royce, the most picked companies of all time since launch of the game, in actual fact, continue to be on the list of most picked companies. The energy supplier Centrica joined the most picked companies for the first time, possibly in anticipation of a further utility price hike later this year. Or, you know, the Chancellor's windfall tax. And we thought, well, that's in the news now. Now, let's get past it. It wasn't as bad as it could have been. He won't do another. That's behind us. Pets at Home Group, up 21.9% last week, was picked by all of the top three players. Come on. What? Okay, no wonder they're going under pseudonyms. We're going to find out what's going on. How did they get all of this? I think we'll do an interview with some of the winners as well going forward. So you get an idea of, wait a minute, how the heck are they getting companies which are up 21.9%? The company continued to enjoy strong growth and the animal ownership boom during the pandemic. I mean, you know, energy companies, yeah. Tech companies, I could sort of understand. But seriously? How on earth do you come up with pets? So, you know, I want to share those insights with you and what they did, how they did it. Most picked sectors, industrial goods and services and retail. They're also two of the most picked sectors from the top three players as well. Okay, industrial goods and services, retail. Now, it's interesting it's retail, because you'd think people are still thinking, nah, so is this bottom fishing? Is the worst behind us with retail? What's going on? Oh, people still spending? I thought there's cost of living crisis. I thought there's worries about higher interest rates. What the hell with retail? Or is that all factored in? And as the market does, it's looking 12 months ahead and saying this will all be behind us in 12 months. Maybe. It's a difficult one. I don't know what the answer is to that one, by the way. Utilities remained the most picked sector from all players. No longer the one of the most picked sectors from the top three players. Instead, the top three players shifted their interest to the technology sector. Good insight. I can see why utilities was popular with so many, because it's a sort of a safer play. But having said that, higher dividends. Having said that, when you're playing a game like this and you're trying to win each week, you can see that you'd want to be picking things which are most likely to go up during that week. Links are in the bio, free to join the game, a great way to learn. Part of my campaign for $1million.com to teach 1 million people how to be better investors, £150,000 in prizes to whet your appetite, safe environment within which to learn how to invest and trade and about the markets and get your interest up into those things. So I hope that was insightful. Do follow, because I'm going to give a midweek update and a weekly update in all of this. So you'll really want to follow this and keep on top of it. Thank you very much.